Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. This is Sapy, and today we're going to practice some easy daily use English sentences. So let's get started. मुझ पर भरोसा रखो. Trust me. Trust me. बहुत मज़ा आया. Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot. दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? चालाक मत बनो. Don't be smart. Don't be smart. नंगे पैर मत चलो. Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot. तुम डरपोक हो. You are coward. You are coward. इंडिया जीतेगी. India will win or India is gonna win. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. उसे मत घूरो. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. फ़ोन आ रहा है. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. मशीन चालू करो. Switch on the machine. Switch on the machine. कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. नल खोल दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. नल बंद कर दो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. चादर बिछा दो. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. आलू छील दो. Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. रोटियां बेल लो. Roll the chapatis. Roll the chapatis. रोटियां सेक लो. Bake the chapatis. Bake the chapatis. कॉफ़ी को कप में डालो. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं. We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. थोड़ा पानी और मिला लो. Add a little more water. Add a little more water. कृपया नमक पास करो. Pass the salt please. Pass the salt please. बर्गर खाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. There is no need to eat burger. There is no need to eat burger.